Hello and welcome to the Allegro Packets Setup Guide Series. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your Allegro Network Multimeter using a LAN connection in bridge mode. So let's get started. Plug in the power supply and connect the management port to your network. To enable bridge mode, connect two LAN cables to the port pair 2 and 3 to create a layer 2 bridge. Press the power button on the front panel. The device will boot up within 2 minutes. Once connected via LAN, the device will obtain an IP address from your network's DHCP server. You can find it by checking the console output on an attached monitor. Open your web browser and enter the device's IP address into the URL bar. The default login credentials can be found in the installation guide or on the bottom label of the device. Now you've successfully set up your Allegro Network Multimeter and can start monitoring and analyzing your network traffic. For more tips, tutorials, and use cases, be sure to visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for choosing Allegro Packets, your partner in network excellence.